We're getting more news that's breaking this minute. Social distancing norms they're violated in Rohtak at the newly appointed state BJP president's coronation. Haryana Chief Minister also present there at the event. Sanjay Bhatia, the MP from Karnal, was seen leading these celebrations. You can see the visuals there coming in from Rohtak in Haryana, where absolutely no social distancing norms were followed. But what is even more shocking is that all of this is happening in the presence of the Haryana Chief Minister there as well, who was also present at this event. At a time where we're looking at the large number of cases coming in and repeated appeals coming in from the leaders to follow the social distancing norm. Here's an example of how our own netas are flouting the social distancing norms that have been put in place with absolute disregard to any kind of rules that have been put in place. This is an incident that is coming in from Rohtak in Haryana, and you can see the manner in which a lot of people have gathered and they have come at the newly appointed state BJP president's coronation. But what is even more surprising is that all of this is being allowed to happen in the presence of the Haryana Chief Minister, who's also there at that very event. You can see the visuals there coming in from Rohtak in Haryana, where there's a mass gathering that is taking place of people enjoying an absolute merriment while not following any of the social distancing norms, and all this in the presence of the Haryana Chief Minister, who was also there present at the event. And this is a clear example there coming in of how social distancing norms have been blatantly flouted at a time where the cases have been increasing. There are repeated appeals there coming in from experts and doctors to maintain social distancing in order to curb the situation. But here's an example that shows otherwise. Let me bring in my colleague Gurpreet, who's joining me live with further updates on this. Gurpreet, what is the possible explanation that really the government of Haryana can really come with? Because this entire event is happening in the presence of the Chief Minister, it is happening in the presence of the state BJP president there, but still it was allowed to happen. What is the explanation coming in?
Well, that is what it is very surprising the way this function was taking over, because there was a program in Rohtak where the newly elected BJP president, he has taken over the command of the BJP in Haryana. At the same time, we can see from the live visual, he is also well educated and elected MP who has been dancing on the tune. They are violating all the norms of the protocol of these COVID-19. At the same time, they have been seeing and violating. And if we can talk about the government doesn't have any answer on this thing, because the Chief Minister himself was present there. On one side, they are implementing rules and they are giving the guidelines to the police also to implement at the ground, so that they are also issuing a lot of challenge to the common man. But at the same time, we can see that in that political program where the Chief Minister himself was present, there was a total violation.
Absolutely.
We have seen that there was no social distancing. They were dancing on the tune. So they don't bother about any rules and regulation, and they have openly violated all the protocol of COVID-19. At the same time, no action has been taken by the government. And if we can talk about the embarrassment for the Haryana BJP, the Chief Minister was himself present in that program where these all violation had been done by the BJP leaders as well as the supporters. And this video is very clear, in which we can see that how they were dancing and putting all the norms and regulations at the stake.
Absolutely, extremely shocking visuals there coming in from Rohtak in Haryana. Gurpreet, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates.